Welcome. I'm Jason Russell, Pivot Point International's Learning Engagement and Artistic Manager. It's such a pleasure to be able to showcase our newest mannequin in our light series, Gwyn. As you can see, Gwyn offers a beautiful pre-lightened level 9 that is perfect for depositing all types of hair color, especially those beautiful vibrance, toning, and pastel formulas. Her 100% hand-implanted human Indian hair gives the ultimate experience when cutting and coloring and styling. If you'd love to see Gwyn's beautiful color and styling finishes, please stay tuned. Thank you for viewing our color application inspired by a Bahama Mama and a day at the beach waves on our new mannequin Gwyn. Hope you love it as much as we do. Have a great day.